Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a flooded house in Minecraft. Let's get into it. First, get your sponges ready. The first step is to find the special blocks that can drink up the water. You need to have these items in your hand before you can start cleaning. Find some yellow sponges in your storage box, or go to the big ocean building to find them. Put the sponges in your quick bar so you can use them fast. Because sponges are the best tool for moving water. You have to use these blocks so you don't have to scoop up every bucket of water one by one. Without this step, fixing a big flood would take a very long time and be very hard to do. Next, place the sponge in the water. You need to put the sponge exactly where the water is the deepest to soak up as much as you can. Walk into the water in your house and place a sponge block on the floor or the wall. Watch as the sponge instantly pulls the water inside itself and makes the area around it dry. This is a smart move because one single sponge can clean a large space all at once. By placing it in the middle of the flood, you are letting the block do all the hard work for you. It ensures you can clear out your room quickly so you can see your floor and furniture again. Next, dry out your wet sponges. Now you will notice that your sponges have turned dark and wet. You need to make them dry again so you can keep using them. Take your wet sponges to a furnace and put some wood or coal inside. Wait for the fire to dry the water out of the sponges so they turn yellow and light again. Because wet sponges will not soak up any more water. By drying them out, you are making sure you always have a tool ready for the next wet room. It is the key step to getting the right output saves you from having to find new sponges every time. And that's it. To fix a flooded house in the game, you must first get your sponges ready to use. Then, you place the sponge in the water to soak it up. Next, you dry your sponges in a fire so you can use them again. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.